Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 12 Statistics chapter number 2 Linear Equation. In that today we will study about the Spearman rank correlation method, that is exercise 2.3 question number 3rd today we will study. So let us read the question first. The following information is obtained by the survey conducted by the town planning committee of a state. So here the two column already given, that is population 5745 and the rank rate of a growth per thousand. Find the rank correlation coefficient between the population of the cities and the rate growth of the population. Now in this sum, the rank has not been given. As compared to the question 1, see, I had explained in question 1, in this sum already the Rx and Ry has been given, means the rank already given in by the company. See here, the 6 company are ranked by the 2 market. But in sum number 3rd, we have to find the rank. Okay, rank has not been given. So let us move towards the sum, that is exercise 2.3 question 3rd. So here, first of all, I had written the city A, B, C, D, E which is given in the sum. X is also given in the sum and Y is also given in the sum. Okay. Now from X we will prepare Rx. Okay. Again from X we will prepare Rx. Now how to prepare the Rx? So whichever the digit is greater from all these digits, we have to give the rank first. Okay, so observe the number, the greatest number from all these digits, that is 57. So here I had given the Rx number 1, means the rank number 1. Now the number smaller than 57 is 45. So here I had given the rank 2. Now the number smaller than 45 is 18. See here. So here I had given the rank 3. Okay. Now the number smaller than 18 is 14. So here I had given the rank Rx, that is 4. And the number smaller than 14, that is 8. So here I had given the rank number 5. So in this way you will give the rank Rx from X. Okay. Now let us prepare the, now we will give the rank for Y. Observe the column Y. Which is the greatest number? So 20 is the greatest number. So here we have to give number 1 for Ry. Okay, rank 1 for 20. Now the number less than 20 is 15. So here I had given the rank 2 for Ry. Now number less than 15 is 13. So here I had given the rank 3. Okay, for Ry. Now the number less than 13 is 10. So here I had given the rank 4. Okay. And number less than 10 is 5. So here I had given the rank 5. So in this way we will rank Rx from X column and Ry from Y column. Okay. After preparing the rank Rx and Ry, now we will move for the D column. As you know, the formula for D is Rx minus Ry. Means we have to minus Rx minus Ry. So 1 minus 3, our answer will be minus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 4, our answer 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. After calculating the D column, we have to add this column. So our summation D will be 0. Okay. Now let us move to the last column, that is D square. We have to square the column D. Minus 2 square will be 4, 1 square will be 1, 0 square will be 0, 1 square will be 1, and again 0 square will be 0. And if we add the column, last column, our summation D square will be 6. So now let us put the digit in the formula. So here I had already written the formula for Spearman rank correlation method. R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square upon n square minus 1. Okay. So here 1 minus 6 multiplied by our summation D square will be 6. Here in the question we had already calculated. So here we will put the 6. Okay. In denominator n is our 6. N is our 5. See, in the question 5 cities has been given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will put the 5. Again n square is 5 square minus 1. Okay. Now let us move to the next step. 1 minus 6 6 are 36. 5 will remain as it is. 5 square will be 25 minus 1. Next step. 1 minus 36 upon 5 will remain as it is. 25 minus 1 will be 24. Next step. 1 minus 36 will remain as it is. In denominator 24 multiplied by 5, our answer will be 120. Next step. Now we will to divide 36 by 120. So when you divide 36 by 120, you will get 0.3. So 1 minus 0.3 will be 0.7. So hence the rank correlation coefficient between population and growth rate is 0.7. So here in this sum, the rank has not been given. Okay. So whichever is the greatest number, we have to give the number 1. Then number smaller than 50 for 57 is 45. Then we have to give 2. So in this way we will give the rank for from X we will give Rx, from Y we will give Ry. And we will do the sum related to this question. So here we had completed exercise 2.2 question 3rd, which is related to Spearman rank correlation method. Okay. So please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is MS Ukani Private Tuition, and also share to others so that they can be helpful from this material. Thank you so much.